Heaven knows I've tried, but this is where I'm happy and where I reside. So come on, y'all, let it slide.